Hey folks, it's Patriot Nurse. Just a quick video here. I want to show you real quick. This is crimson clover, and I want to talk with you just very briefly about the benefits of clover in general. So clover is really one of the herbalists' most often used herbs in the arsenal because it does so many things. It's considered one of the gold standards in the lymphatic tonic. So basically, the lymph system in the body is responsible for clearing out the body, for removing the garbage. It's basically the sludge collection system of the body. And so red clover, and really any of the clover family of plants, are going to be one of your best weapons against sludge collecting in the lymphatic system. And so traditionally, it's for this reason that it was widely used by herbalists in the treatment in the old school days of diseases involved in congestion of the lymphatic system, specifically of bubonic plague. When you look at bubonic plague, the rapid accumulation of the waste products associated with the bacteria multiplying in the lymphatic system, this was one of the key signs. And one of the key differentials for bubonic plague is, of course, the buboes, the eruption of those swollen and really full lymphatic tissues, the nodes in the body. So another benefit of clover actually is that it having natural estrogenic properties. It is useful for women who wish to support their estrogen in the transition of life from being in a monthly menses cycle into, for instance, perimenopause and postmenopause. It's also been shown to be very promising in the support and holistic management of estrogen responsive cancers, such as ovarian cancer and breast cancer. So really, the clover in the herbalist arsenal is one of the best tools that you have for supporting health overall in the body. Hope this quick video was helpful for y'all. Have a very blessed week. If you enjoy learning about the herbs and you're interested in learning more, I actually have a course designed to help you learn more about these, not only their historical uses, but also how herbalists of old, before we had antibiotics and modern medicine, used these herbs in their treatment of diseases that were very severe. So you can find that info out the website, thepatriotnurse.com. Have a great day. May the Lord bless and keep y'all. For now, it's Patriot Nurse signing off. I'll see y'all later. Bye.